Hello good day viewers, you are welcome once again to my channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to provide a solution to this exponential equation on the board. If today is your first time of watching, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow my Facebook page at Chabez Online Tutorial. So the question say 3 to the power of 3s minus 4 is equal to 9 to the power of 2s minus 6. So if you are given an exponential equation in this form, 3 to the power of 3s minus 4 is equal to 9 to the power of 2s minus 6. You must ensure that the base they are equal. And if you look at this base, you have 3 here as a base and this place is 9. So we must ensure this base is equal. So I have 3 to the power of 3s minus 4 is equal to 9. 9 can also be written as 3 to the power of 2 because 3 to the power of 2 is 3 times 3, which will give us 9. So to the power of 2s minus 6. So since 3 is the power of 2 into this bracket, we're going to use this 2 to open this bracket. So I'll have 3 to the power of 3s minus 4, which is equal to 3. Then 2 multiplied by 2s, I'll have 4s. Then 2 multiplied by 6, I'll have negative 12. So from here, since the base they are equal now, we are going to eliminate the base and equate the power. So we cancel the base and equate the power by say 3s minus 4 is equal to 4s minus 12. So from here now, we are going to collect the like term. Collect the like term, we have 3s here and 4s. I'll have 3s minus 4 equal to 4s minus 12. So by collecting the like term, I have 3s and this 4s is going to cross to meet this 3s is to change to negative 4s, which is equal to, I have constant negative 12 here, and this negative 4 is going to cross to meet this negative 12 to change to positive 4. So since these are alike and this constant are alike, I can minus 3s minus 4s. So 3s minus 4s, I'll have negative s, which is equal to negative 12 plus 4 is equal to negative 8. So from here now, and we are asked, remember, we are asked to look for the value of s, not negative s. To eliminate this negative now, I will divide both sides by the coefficient of s. And the coefficient of s here is negative 1. So I'll divide both sides by negative, so that this negative will cancel this negative. S now will be equal to, this negative will also go with this negative. The value of s in this exponential equation is equal to s equal to 8. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.